Hello internet marketers, welcome to my multi-part tutorial series on how to sell your products at WarriorPlus, JVZOO and Clickbank. So this is a welcome and introduction video for all three, but I will split up the training into separate playlists and I will leave the links below this video in the description. And in this tutorial training series, I will also include some actionable steps for you guys to take. So it's not just like the training and knowledge, but you can also take action and follow the steps yourself. So in today's video, I'm just going to do a brief overview and like a quick history of my experience with all three. So WarriorPlus, here I've generated about $188,000. These were my very first launches. So I started with basically, I had no followers, no buyers list, no fans, nothing. Right here, these are my first 4 software products. Didn't make a whole lot. But this right here was my very first ebook and made $13,000. Again, at this time I had 0 lists. That means 0 emails in my list, no subscribers. Still managed 13,000 overall. And obviously not every launch is gonna be making 5 figures, but definitely this was the kickstart to my WarriorPlus journey. And what is WarriorPlus? It is a marketplace. You can see here, marketplace. So let's go ahead and check it out real quick. And all 3 of the marketplaces, WarriorPlus, JVZOO, Clickbank, are all kind of similar. They are affiliate networks, and mostly all 3 sells digital products or info products like ebooks, videos, software, and WarriorPlus is right here. So basically it's just a bunch of products from a bunch of different people selling their products. And you can see there's a lot of money coming in and out, a lot of affiliates promoting, and a lot of sellers. So that's what a marketplace or affiliate network, all in one. So this is WordPress, and JVZOO is similar. So in JVZOO, I don't have as much success since I started this a little bit after. But for some reason, I just never caught traction here. But still, let's see, 12,600. And Clickbank, I actually had a pretty good success here, over 6 figures as well. And I sold that account or the business some time ago. But definitely Clickbank is the biggest out of all 3. It's the oldest as well and the most established with the most affiliates. Okay, so let's go over some of the steps in the training tutorial. And then part 2, then we're gonna do the setup of the products, so the sales pages, and we're gonna do the whole sales funnel. A lot of people are really confused about how to set that up, and there isn't really any complete tutorials on that. People have been asking me for actually years on setting up sales funnel, and finally I'm able to make this tutorial series. Okay, so once we have our sales funnel set up, the pages, the sales pages, the upsells, and maybe a downsell, and link it all together, and then we're gonna upload it to our hosting server and then set it up at WordPlus, JVZOO, and Clickbank. And then I'm going to show you how to do launches, get yourself in the launch calendar to drive up potential new affiliates, get some promotions going. And then I'm going to show you also how to link your email list, your email list building. I'm going to get you started in that as well, and build that buyer's customer list so you can keep on reusing your customer list every time you launch a new product, your email list to continue to promote new launches or affiliate offers and continue to grow your list. Okay, that's all for this introduction video. Please go to part 2, which I will talk about product creation and some ideas for you guys on how to create your product. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more updates and new lessons on selling at Clickbank, JVZOO, WarriorPlus. Okay, thank you and happy marketing.